Simon the high priest, the son of Onias, was the leader of his brothers and the pride of his people. During his lifetime he repaired the Lord's house, in his day he fortified the temple. He laid the foundations for the high double walls, the high retaining walls of the temple area. During Simon's time a water cistern was dug, a reservoir as broad as the sea. He devised a plan to save his people from destruction and fortified the city against siege. How glorious Simon was when the people would surround him as he came out of the veiled sanctuary. He shone like the morning star among the clouds, like the moon at its fullest. He was like the sun when it shines on the temple of the Most High, like the rainbow gleaming in beautiful clouds. He was like roses in the springtime, like lilies by a spring of water, like a green shoot on Mount Lebanon on a summer day. Simon was like fire and incense in the censer, like a vessel of hammered gold adorned with every kind of precious stone. He was like an olive tree weighed down with fruit, like a cypress tree reaching up to the clouds. When he put on his glorious robe and dressed himself in all his splendor, he made the court of the sanctuary glorious as he went up to the holy altar. When he received the sacrifices from the priests and stood by the hearth of the altar, he was surrounded by brothers as with a garland, and he was like a young cedar on Mount Lebanon surrounded by palm trees. All the sons of Aaron in their glory held offerings for the Lord in their hands as they stood before the entire congregation of Israel.